Hey guys, happy Father's Day. So I got my package in today, and quite honestly, I don't remember what I ordered. I ordered quite a bit of things, and so anyway, let's check it out. Hope you guys are having a great Father's Day. To those of you who are dads, I got my laminating paper. Okay, very cool. And this is a heavy box here. I think I know what this is now. I believe these might be my envelopes, I think, for my stickers. So let's see. I'm sure there's people that can make envelopes, but I am not one of them. So, in any business, you have to know what you can and what you cannot do. And yes, my sticker envelopes. Yes. So I am in business for these stickers, and you will be seeing more of those as I continue to do videos, guys. But yeah, I got a box of, I think there's 100 or 200 in this box here. All right, have a great day. Take care.